Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll go over how to add a TPO study to your charts. First, select Study from the menu bar and then select All Studies. Alternatively, you can select Ctrl-T on your keyboard. Next, type in TPO into the filter window. Double-click on TPO to bring up the TPO preferences. You can select Show All and adjust the other settings as you see fit. In this example, we'll just select Show All and then select Create. Then select the candlestick drop-down menu and select the No Bars option. To adjust the TPO settings, click on the cog wheel in the upper left-hand corner next to the TPO indicator and adjust as needed.